Hi everyone and welcome to Himas Academy. Today I'll show you how to make a frozen drawing using the Frozen game. This is how it will look like after we're done. Now I'll show you how to code this. First I'll open code.org. And I have already signed in. If you haven't signed in, you have to sign in. Then I go to projects and click view full list and then select Frozen in the drawing place. This is how it will look like when I open it. We have the workspace and our blocks. In our workspace we have the when run blocks, and in our blocks we have different tabs to get different types of blocks. First I need my background, which I made using circles. So I'll go into the Actions tab and set color to white since I want white snowflakes. Then I'll go into Functions and get Create Circle Block. I don't want my circle to be too big or too small, so I'll enter 15. This is how it will look like. It just made one circle because I only entered one circle. I need more circles, so for that I need more circle blocks. But instead of getting a lot of circles, I'll go into the Loop tab and get the Repeat block. I'll keep my Create a Circle in the loop, and it will repeat it 4 times because I entered 4. It just made 4 circles on top of each other, but I want them to move a little every time. So I'll go into the Actions tab and get the Turn Right block, and I'll enter 10 degrees. This is how it will look like. It made my circles correctly, but I only have 4 circles. I need more, so I'll enter 10. This is how it will look like with 10 circles. I may need more, so I'll enter 15. This is how it will look like with 15 circles. Next I'll enter 20. I still need more circles, so I'll enter 30. This is how it will look like with 30 circles. I still need a few more circles, so I'll try with 35. This is how it will look like. I feel like I need just one more circle to complete it, so I'll enter 36. You can also adjust your speed by using the meter at the bottom. This is the slowest and this is the fastest. Next, I need my purple snowflakes on top of the circles. So I'll go into the Functions tab and create a snowflake block and place it after the loop. I don't want to place it inside the loop because it would just repeat making the snowflake 36 times. You can choose the types of your snowflakes. I want this to be a different color, so I get the set color block and choose purple at the bottom. Then I'll attach the create snowflake block to it. This is how it will look like. You can also adjust with the bar at the bottom, slower, medium, and fast. It makes my snowflake, but I want another snowflake on top of it. This is how I placed another snowflake on top. I'll go to the functions and create a snowflake again and choose Parallelogram. This is how it will look like. It drew my parallelogram snowflake on top of the square snowflake like I wanted to. This is how you draw using Frozen. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. If you haven't watched my previous videos, please do watch them.